Here, it's in this garage. Yo, that's sick. Rowdy. Today we're going to be heading to a meet and I'll explain more about it when we get over there. Went to a little bit different side today. We got our boy Gavin wrapping up. What is in there? Another D-Series. We bought another D-Series. While we're waiting for this to be strapped, we are gonna head to a underground meet. Hopefully it's popping. We are gonna head to a underground Tokyo meet. They're trying to be a Tokyo type vibe. It's gonna be a 2-day event. We're gonna show up today and then there's another event tomorrow. So hopefully this should be some Tokyo drifting. All right guys, so we are at the meet right now. We just got into the entrance, so I don't know how big it is until we get deeper. Oh, it's in here. Oh, it's in here. It's in here. It's in this garage. Yo, that's sick. Yo, that's sick. We gotta go in there, bro.
Hey, that's sick, bro.
Oh, there you go. That used to be me. Now I'm broke as fuck. Yo, hold up.
That shit looks like
Fast and Furious, bro. That's my soul. Hold up. How many floors is this? Is this 3 floors? One. Wait, this is the top one, right?
I think so. No, there's one more.
No, there's more. Holy shit.
Let's go all the way to the top first. Hey, someone's hitting a dab pin.
Wait, dab pin? Oh, for real?
I can smell it.
You can smell the...
I hope they don't tow our cars.
No, because that's why I was...
I read it. Oh shit.
Oh shit, the motherfucking thing on this here. Damn. Dude, what the fuck? This is literally a whole underground meet, bro.
In Arkansas.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
There's another one. It keeps going. Oh, this is one of the dude that set it up. The Evo?
The Evo? Oh, fuck the merch. Hey, make sure to cop yours down below on the Jarek Mai channel, of course. If you want to support your boy, we don't want to be waiting. You don't want to be waiting in line like this. You want to be waiting online when you click it. This is the best one here.
This is the best one.
The best one here. X's. You know how Brandon is with, you know, his WRX, he loves WRX. He probably think that honestly it's not low enough for him. I don't know if you guys can hear me, the music is kind of loud, but I will try to speak as best as I can. There's literally a 240 up here, I kind of want to check that out. Is that SI? Hey, case one take it right here? 1 through 10, what do you think? Interga, JDM swap?
Give it like 8.
8? 8? Solid 8?
What?
All the fans.
What do you think about these G80s? You like them?
With them.
You fuck with them?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll fuck with them. Competition.
You know he big quality. You know he big quality with that M3.
Okay, so
look at these ones. These are the good ones.
Oh hell yeah! Hold on. Give me a posted picture right there. You know, these cars are the hardest one here. Hardest ones here. I like it.
He has 3 people in the car.
What are you rating me out of?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Highly recommend.
You know the dude that walked up to me?
Yeah.
It's the dude that bought my car.
Oh, for real?
My old Civic.
No way.
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
Look at this. Got a picture of my car.
Listen.
Yo, that's sick. So we're trying to find all the floors. That's my goal for right now, is trying to go to every floor there is, so that way we can film everything. now, they're gonna be like, yo, my shit hard. I think this is the 3rd floor, I think.
No heat.
What do you think?
Good stuff.
Yo, that's so sick. You definitely don't want to mess with this motherfucker. Or is it GTST? I can't tell. Or is this a hard body? Okay, okay. I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of hard. It's kind of hard. It's the Toy Story. Toy Story. People were telling me there's 5 floors on this, so maybe I think there's one more floor after we go on this one. Yo, check out this Sugi, bro. That's clean.
Look at that one.
It's an actual Milky kit. This one has this badge. That's a real Milky?
I think so.
Oh, you think so? Or you think they just bought it from eBay?
I don't know.
It's definitely different. Green TVs. Yeah, let's go to it.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't really like this guy. Like that one's clean.
I ain't gonna lie, the GR Corolla in person, that's kind of hard, isn't it?
Look, the 3 exhausted.
This is what me and you like. But anyway, god damn. Look at his big ass now. That's clean. What is this?
I don't know.
It looks like a Supra in the back. I think that's an import, bro.
Yeah, they made him leave.
At least I got that on video.
This is the hardest one here. This is a motherfucking
Sequoia right here.
Hey, get outside one.
S2000. Yeah, that's sick.
What the fuck? I'm not gonna even do launch control, man. You gotta do launch control. No, I'm just kidding. No, that would be unsafe. Wait, what is it?
Are you that YouTuber?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, what? So what is it? Yeah, the Civic.
Yes.
Mine is on the other side, dude.
You mind if I get a picture with you?
Yeah, of course, of course.
My name is Fabian.
What is it?
Fabian.
Fabian?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it a YouTuber?
Hi,
Hey,
what's
what I'm
good?
saying, you
Yes,
okay?
sir.
What's happening?
Can we go,
Hey,
Mom?
is it YouTube?
Yeah, of course, of course.
Oh, what's up, YouTube?
Well, I appreciate the support, man.
for
Hey, man.
You say bye YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Stop right there. Take care.
Stop right there so the cops can get you. Now we're gonna try to find some other cars. I feel like this is gonna be exciting because I want to see what's outside other than these cars right here. Happening, bro?
What's up, Jarek?
What's going on? What's going on? Oh, no, you're good. You're good. So for sure, for sure. Now this is outside of the garage meet. There's not a lot of space in the garage, so some people have to actually park outside. And check out this EK. I think is this the original color? Holy shit! Oh hell yeah! Someone playing that.
You sure you don't want to put a B series in it?
Should I sell it and get a B series?
Might as well.
Fuck it. I don't think that K series is good enough. What is this? Holy crap! Junior?
Yeah.
Jarek, nice to meet you. You guys.
I don't drive.
Hold on,
Let me go get my jacket.
It's coming from the Civic, bro.
So we blowing them candles.
It's like cartoon style. Cartoon style. Who the fuck parked here, bro?
Piece of shit.
God damn. What the fuck? Why did that blue one? He can't even. It literally says 10-minute parking.
He can't even park close to the curb.
He got me one too. Oh, perfect. You got a.
Not
You
bad.
see my fingerprints on here. Yo, that was lit
In
as
the coupe?
fuck. Dude, that,
really was.
garage was lit as hell. I don't give a fuck. That shit was lit. Hey, bro, you like my new ride type shit? Hold on. You like my new ride? What do you think?
Go.
K-swap? Oh shit, my fucking Okay, so it's the next day. This is gonna be part 2 of the meets. We're not gonna be here for long because we have other stuff to do. That way I can get this video up for y'all guys. But a little explanation of what happened last night. We went to the meet, but I didn't really explain of what I really got. If y'all guys don't know, the D-Series I have in the car is already pre-built. It already has eagle rods, wide scope pistons, and I could boost it, but I just don't feel like in it for it in the D series, and that's why I got a K series. We are in a rush right now. It is an hour away from where I live, so let's go ahead to the meet and I'll explain more about the motor swap later on at the end of this video.
That's crazy.
Bro, check that out. That's sick. This one is pretty sick. To admit, it's pretty on point. Look at that 350 Nismo wheels. That is sick. So these wheels are from a 370. If you don't know that.
I don't know that.
Well, 370 Nismo wheels on a 350. So there you go.
That's sick.
What the heck is this? This looks like a GTI. I don't think it's a GTI. Oh, it's a Ford. What the hell? Oh, my bad. Okay. I wonder if it's boosted. It has like a little oil cooler on here. I wonder how old this is. Dang, he has a big Broadway mirror. Holy crap, do you see that? John!
Oh, hey, what's up,
What's up, man? Okay. Oh, my God.
How you doing?
How you doing?
man?
Say hello to the vlog, man.
We're on the camera.
Yeah, you're
Hello,
on the camera.
What's up?
You know,
I got this one here. Man, it's
Okay.
kind of packaged in there. This one here, you can see a little bit of it. I don't think, there's nothing in the back,
okay,
but
got some little goodies.
Yeah.
With the Crocs.
With the
It's in sport mode and everything. So we're gonna get some exclusive access into the bathroom, if you know what I mean. If y'all guys want to see some exclusive women and men content in this channel, make sure to subscribe down below for the OnlyFans. Oh, they drifting up in that baby. I like that one. That one's sick.
That's pretty nice. No,
yeah, these are nice.
stay tuned for the merch.
Stay tuned.
thank you.
Awesome, of course. Awesome. Nice meeting you. So if you guys don't know, this is me back in a year ago. Check it out. But I definitely did not have welds. If it has welds, I hope it's turbo or something like that. But that's sick. The Honda Accord, of course. That's clean.
Look how low.
Yeah? You like? You like? What do you think?
I don't think I can drive that.
JDM front end. Carbon lip. That's hard. B18 C1. Okay, what do you think about this one?
I love it.
You love it? I think it's a Subaru. Right, and it's stick. You can see it right there. Stick is right there. Holy crap. That's sick. And it looks like it has a lot of room in the back as well. It's kind of hard to see because there's a reflection. Yeah. H22A. H-swap. Oh, he's rocking the Graham lights just like me. And those BMW colors. That's sick. Ram lights. That's hard. Y'all guys know I love my Hondas, and I think S2000 is one of the favorites for sure. RPF ones. Can't go wrong. Yo, but this front end is so good.
What front end is it?
Looks like I forgot, Voltex? Yeah, that is basically it. Let me know what you guys think. It's definitely very exciting that we had a meet like that in Arkansas. Like I said, from Arkansas, there is not a lot of stuff that happens like that. That was a pretty dope meet. It gave me that cool Fast and Furious vibe that I think everyone likes. We're on the verge of almost 200K, 6K away from 200K, baby. Let's get it. And yeah, I'm very tired right now, but I'm gonna get this video edited for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to share it to your grandma, grandpa, father, dog, whatever the case may be. It does help a lot, and it's free. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time in the next one.